This guy's just coming out today, I see.
This plant is called bedstraw, and it has been used for centuries as bedding material because when it dries, it smells sweet and it keeps the bugs away.
And there's a lot of it.
Plants like bedstraw are found on the prairies and on their own are not that special. But this stretch of land has more than 50 prairie plant species like bedstraw, and that is a special discovery.
And they dominated that whole prairie. Walking along this trail, I noticed these big blue stem in here. It's not that dominant right now, but it will be shortly. It'll take over shortly. Right now it's beautiful. It's got the goldenrod and the sunflowers blooming. And when you get up close, in fact, even from here, you might see some purple dots in there.
Big blue stem is a hallmark of tall grass prairie, a rare and almost extinct type of grassland.
It's true tall grass prairie, the real thing. There's only 0.5% of it left. Some people say 1%, but there's not very much of it left. A wren is nested in one.
Les McCann is a nature lover and has been a member of the Nature Manitoba organization since 1973. He is the one who made this discovery, 10 acres of intact tall grass prairie located just south of Headingley.
I was surprised, and then I walked out into it and I found out I couldn't walk on it. There were plants like millimeters apart. It was just thick with plants.
McCann discovered the land on a hike along the Headingley Grand Trunk Trail in 2009. He immediately knew he'd found something special and went right to work.
Maybe we've got something here we should think about protecting. And council has said, well, we've got other plans.
Members of Nature Manitoba presented to the Headingley Town Council and continue working on protecting the area. According to McCann, Manitoba conservation employees confirmed this land was in fact a rare and untouched remnant of tall grass prairie.
We've got it all here. It would make a wonderful interpretive park, and I have no doubt that it will at some point. I think that this is a spot that we'll use for maybe signage or something.
Tall grass prairie has been almost annihilated in the past 100 years because of agriculture and development. Invasive species have also negatively impacted the important prairie habitat. This disturbed land right next to the tall grass prairie has Russian thistle and other invasive species waiting to encroach.
And that there's a war going on between the prairie plants and the invasives right here.
There are a few stretches of tall grass prairie remnants like this around the province, but being the one to discover it and to soon see it properly protected is something McCann feels passionately about.
It almost feels like that's what I was born for, was this moment right here.
If you'd like to help protect this area, please contact Nature Manitoba. For Go Winnipeg, I'm Laura Mukon.